Hi guys, so today this video is about the gift set in Love Nature, okay, which is a lemon and hibiscus. These two products will help you out to remove the tan, and these two products will reduce your spottings. Any black spottings are there, it will be reducing this in your face. Okay, so don't miss this product, and this I'll show you a live demo. Okay, so please do. Okay, and just okay, take the little. Okay, I'm not taking much. It is just the pea size. Any product we are using from our, it is just the pea size. Okay, so wet your face. Okay, just it's a cleanser. Okay, so you can see the difference. It removes the dirt from your skin. And you should just tap and wipe it off. So this is a face cream, so lot difference. Okay, face cream, same gift set. Okay, the little. So you can see the difference. Thank you.